everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Nikki with MontanaCrochetCreations.com. I post crochet tutorials every Wednesday and Saturday morning at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. In today's tutorial, we're going to be discussing how to do a half double crochet increase. This is a common stitch that's used in a lot of patterns, and you'll also come across where it'll say in a written pattern on doing an increase row. So we're going to talk about that today, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you'll need a few things. So just grab any size crochet hook that you have on hand. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook today. And then we'll also use a number 4 worsted weight yarn. Any yarn that you have on hand will work as well. Since we're doing a sample piece and you're just going to be doing this for practice, scrap yarn is completely fine. You won't need very much. So what we're going to do to start, let's move that out of the way. For our half double crochet increase is we're going to start with our slip stitch, and then let's chain 10. That'll give us a nice little piece to start with. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what we are going to do now in this second stitch from our hook, the second chain, is we're going to place our half double crochet. And if you don't know how to do a half double crochet, I'll leave a link to one of my videos up in the right hand corner for that. But we're going to yarn over and place our hook into that second stitch. We're going to pull our yarn through, and we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops on our hook. And we're going to place 1 half double crochet in every single stitch all the way across to the very end. So we're coming up to our very last stitch here, placing our last half double crochet. And what we're going to do now is we're going to chain 1, and we're going to turn our work. So now for row 2, we're going to start our increase row. So we'll yarn over and we're going to place our hook into that chain 1 space right here. So we're going to insert our hook into that space, yarn over and pull our yarn through. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. Now we're going to go back into that exact same stitch and place 1 more half double crochet. That's our very first increase right there. Most patterns will give you an increase stitch, and then you'll do a half double crochet in a set number of stitches, and then you'll do an increase again. So we're going to do a half double crochet in every stitch all the way till we come up to the very last stitch. So we're coming up, let me grab a little more yarn. We're coming up to our very last stitch, and this one's a little tricky to see. So you want to grab these 2 stitches, let me grab a needle and I'll show you. These 2 stitches right here. A lot of brand new crocheters miss this stitch, but that's actually the top of your first half double crochet. So you want to grab that. So we'll yarn over and go into that stitch. And we're going to place 1 more half double crochet in that same stitch. So now we will chain 1, turn our work, and what we'll do next is we will just place 1 half double crochet in each stitch all the way down. So we're coming up to the end of row 3. Again, we're going to grab that stitch that's right there at the very end. We're going to place 1 half double crochet. Chain 1, we'll turn our work. For row 4, we're going to do an increase. So again, we'll place 2 half double crochet in that chain 1 space. Then we're going to half double crochet all the way to the end, and then that very last stitch, we're going to place 2 more half double crochet. So we're coming up to this very last stitch, again, making sure you grab that end stitch there. We're going to place 2 half double crochet in that last stitch. And that's it. You've officially learned how to do a half double crochet increase. So whenever you come across a pattern and they're talking about half double crochet and then they say do an increase, that's what you do. You basically just put 2 stitches inside one of those stitches to make your pattern larger. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more of these fun tutorials. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.